Hi everyone, I am Anil Kumar, motivational speaker. Happy Sankranti to all. Today is a special day across India. They are celebrating in a different festival like Pongal, Makar Sankranti, Lori, like that. So entire India will be celebrate this festival as a special occasion of agriculture activities being done. Um, so today I am here with my land. So along with my education, I am taking care of even agriculture too. So uh, I have cultivated around 3 acres of sugarcane. I can able to show in this video. Uh, uh, I have a passion about agriculture. Agriculture is the backbone of our India, so that even our natural farming or organic farming is also backbone of Indian agriculture. Along with my education, even agriculture also, I'm being taken care by my around 3 acres of land. Have cultivated sugarcane with none of the support. I have taken care this agriculture along with laborers. So once in 15 days, once in a week, whenever I get free, that time I used to come our land, and I'm being taken care of sugarcane of 3 acres. So today I am going to uh, show with you all how I've been cultivated along with my education, like LLB, as a part of um, our responsibility. All our students community responsibility is to not only education, not only profession, even agriculture also need to taken care by us. Because why? Because agriculture is the backbone of our India. So we should be we should taken care by us, otherwise that agriculture will be going to spoil in our India. So we are well educated. Many of the students has their own lands. So along with your education, along with your profession, as a part time, I'm not telling that you please engage with full time. You can also engage with part time activities, so that we can feed very good food to our society, so that you will have a good responsibility to taken care of agriculture. Agriculture is the backbone of our India. And even adopt uh, if we adopt natural method or organic farming, so that we'll have a very good future, what we can say it. And our responsibility is to being taken care of even agriculture also, as along with our profession or along with our education. So you can able to see how beautifully we have agriculture. Around 3 acres I'm cultivating sugarcane. This is the fifth crop I'm doing it. Whenever I get free, I used to come my land, and I'm doing agriculture. So you can able to see how beautifully crop has come. If you have the dedication, if you have the discipline, if you have the time management skills, you can able to do anything in your life. I used to enjoy the happiness in my land. Today Sankranti. Why I am making this video? Sankranti special is agriculture. Wherever you go, everywhere you can able to find out this is the festival of agriculture. Everyone responsibility is to provide the food, basic necessity. Food is our basic necessity that we have to provide to the society. So that is also our responsibility. So that is the reason today I am making this video. So maybe for LLB students, this is you may think that this is irrelevant video of this channel, but as per my knowledge and views and thoughts, this is the this is also part of our education. Many of the students have agricultural lands. Many, if they don't have lands also, you can able to purchase. If you would like to purchase plots, if you would like to purchase buildings, so instead of that, you please purchase at least half acre, 1 acre land at your native or nearby your native, so that whenever you get free time, you can able to have agriculture. So if you can able to engage with agriculture, it's required to the society, and India also it's required, and everyone is depending upon the food. Without food, we can't survive in this world. So that is the reason this is also part of our job and part of our responsibility, what we call. So I hope in this video I have been clarified about our responsibility towards about agriculture, and many of the students are farmers. So if you can, you see, I can do agriculture by my own. Why can't you do it? So that is my motto here. I am doing it, 3 acres of sugarcane, and please do also. That is, you see, along with this education, we can earn some money. About for education is required a lot of money. So from this agriculture land itself, I got money to pay my fees. So if I do very good along with this my education, I can pay my fees very easily without any education loan, without any any kind of support. I can make my own money to pay my fees and to bear expenses of LLB course. I hope this video have been clarified about our responsibility towards agriculture. Once again, happy Sankranti to all. So please do subscribe my channel Anil Kumar Kedde, so that you will notified very good videos of LLB, motivational videos, and for your examination purpose. And I have been made many uh, all the subjects, what we can say, all the subjects have made important questions. Please do watch those videos and get uh, questions, and make your notes. All the best for your exams. Once again, I wish you happy in all Makar Sankranti, Pongal, Lohri, what we call. Thank you.